In this video, we'll show you how to set up the speed dial feature on your Samsung Galaxy phone. So for that, first open the phone app. Now here tap this three dot icon in the top right corner and then select settings. In here you will need to scroll down and then tap on the speed dial numbers. Now here you should see this option to set up a speed dial. First use this drop down menu to select any one of the numbers. So I'll just select 2 for here. And then you can tap on this contact icon and then select the contact for which you want to set up the speed dial. So as you can see, the number is now set. Similarly, you can repeat these steps to set up speed dial for other numbers as well. So it will just continue to add more numbers. Once you have set up your speed dial, anytime you want to use it, you can simply long press on the number. So if I long press on the 3 number, it will automatically call that particular number. There's also another way to do this. So what you can do is long press on the home screen and then tap on this widgets option. Now here you will need to scroll down and then tap on contacts. Now here you should see this direct dial option. So simply tap on it and then select add. Finally you will need to select the contact, and as you can see, the widget is now added. Now anytime I tap on this, the call will be initiated. So this is quicker than the first method. You can use whichever method that you like. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.